Bio-industry, the infinite possibility is told by this one product. Characterized autoclave manufacturing company Shinjin Engineering. Quality is never an accident, it is always the result of intelligent effort. Quality, cost, delivery. Fundamentals of quality and service. Since establishment in 1985, the company which can keep the fundamentals at any time, Shinjin Engineering is the company specialized in making autoclave. We, who obtained ISO 9001 quality management, are operating perfect quality management, and acquired tens of patents with consistent innovation with aspiration to develop first-class products. Shinjin Engineering manufactures various bio-industry machines, using high-temperature and high-pressure technology that we developed over decades. And especially, we're the highly developed company leading the autoclave field. You can check our high-tech technology which simulate every environment that needs the autoclaves and think about customers' convenience at our products portfolio. One important key to success is self-confidence. An important key to self-confidence is preparation. To complete our main values, quality and price, Shinjin Engineering is operating one-stop process for all the manufacture. NCT sheet metal, automatic welding, and automatic rolling equipments. We invested in our state-of-the-art facilities for the perfect quality of our products. Shinjin Engineering is making custom products fulfilling with any requirements that customer ask for. And with perfect all responsible process, small orders on various products are possible. Bio-industry, we believe in invisible technology. Decisive challenges for the future, higher value of accompanied growth. Best autoclave, Shinjin Engineering. Since 1985, Shinjin Engineering sophisticated technology that adds up with past time. Next generation autoclave. Shinjin Engineering's autoclave has a sensor inside that prevents the product from overheating. It includes functions of thermometer, a timer, earth leakage circuit breaker, and PID controller. It has maximized simple operating function and safe pressure control mechanism. Also, to maintain chamber's fine appearance and seal, we used stainless that is processed with a press. And by using insulating materials, we prevented overheating of the outside of the machine. Since it has an assistant water bottle, users don't have to consistently pour water, and it prevented heater from breaking beforehand. It is the system that protects the heater by automatically supplying water. Auto wing door type, it automatically opens, closes, and even locks the door when pushing the button.